Yo, Josh from M&J Automotive. This is a bit backwards actually. I'm cheating. So, I am just on my way. I'm not actually. I've just been up to my mum and dad's. Just up at next village up from where we live in Bridge. Just up at Mumby. And I'm doing disc and pads on my mum's Mini. I've done discs and pads on my mum's Mini. So this is the intro that I filmed after I've actually done it, because I'm a G like that. See, Matty's not here to keep me in line, is he? So I've just got back. I've just been and done that. Yeah, it's quite straightforward actually. Not too drastic. Few of the old nuts and bolts in it, like everything. Add up my car now. So I've done that. That's all sorted. You know. So that's that. So after this intro, which is the intro bit, you'll see what I've just done. But I ain't done it yet. You get me? So yeah, I'll do that. You'll see that, and then tis what it is. What else have we got coming? I need to get an engine for my van. You'll have seen that now. So I need to buy an engine for my van. I just need 500 quid, which I don't have. So if anybody wants to give me an engine for my van, or wants to give me £500 to buy an engine for my van, it'd be fantastic. Or what you could do, tell all your friends to like and subscribe, and then we'll make loads of money off YouTube, and then I can buy an engine for my van, and I'll be a very happy little boy. Yeah, other than that, ta very much. Enjoy the video, and we'll see you soon. Cheers. Right, so I'm just doing disc and pads on a Mini. It's a 2015 Mini, and you've got to do this brake pad wear sensor thing. I don't know if there's one on the other side, so I'm going to film it now. I'm going to film the whole of the other side when I've done it. Well, basically, crusty brake pad. Light's a bit crap. So crusty brake pad, that's your wear sensor that goes in there. So that has to loop up through your caliper, so through here. So you stick it on your new one, loop it through there, so it goes like that, out there. And then you have to clip it in down here. And that little clip in my bobby there. Clip it in there, and then the plug's up under there. So it's like a trim clip there, if you can see. I took an 8mm off lower down and one higher up, and just bent it out the way. Stick a screwdriver in it and pry it off. So I'll stick you on a little recording session, I'll show you. Right, so I don't really know what you can see. Bear with, let me take radio off. Right, so ABS sensor. No, shut up Joshy mum. Wear sensor. Wear sensor. Two different pads. So one's got a wide groove in the slot. One's got a little groove in the slot. Wide groove in the slot. Wear sensor. Push. Click. Wire come out of sensor. Fantastic. So we shall dab a bit of the old copper slip. Bit of the old copper slip. Father! Alright. Yeah, I am, but these people won't eat you. These people won't eat you. If I could see. What's going on? If your pads are any more of a struggle than that to get in, if you brain them with hammer or up like that, you've done something wrong. Bit of the old copper slip. Yeah, what did he say a minute since? If it's any more of a struggle than that, that's done something wrong. There you go, look. Look at that, bloody lovely. Now the important bit. So, that's nicely hooked up there out the way. Your wear sensor wire through the hole like this. Pokey. Hokey pokey pokey. And then, look at that. Doesn't that just bloody look fantabulous, that, eh? It's a bloody good show, this one. Right, so I'll just waz that in there a minute. Just literally a couple of threads just to get it in, to hold it. That nearly was copper slip everywhere. Put that in there. Like that. Like that. Job's nearly a peach. So you what? Looking out all the sun when I stick my head in there. On your bleed nipple, the cover is designed to hold the wire. Very clever. So stick that through there. Stick your bleed nipple cover back on, because nobody likes a crusty nipple. And then you've got to fathom that round there like so. That pushes, boop, and then that goes, if you can still see, I'll have a look. That wire then, where are you? I don't bloody know where you are. Where are you, Mr. Wire? It's further up, goes up, up there. That goes in this little slottage. I'm going to film it again in a minute. Not film it again, but I'm just going to like point at it and show you. And then it plugs in up there somewhere. See that little white plug? With that grey plug goes in that white plug. The struggle is real. Right, so then that goes that way. And something like that, I would guess. Clippity clip clip, and then this is going to be a bit like. Oh, that's good to go. That's strange. Oh no, too high, Joshua. Too high, dear boy. That was in there, that was in there. Clip, clip. Right, before I shove that back, spin round the camera, I'll show you. Hey! Right, so, can't see a thing, it's too sunny here. My dad needs to move out, it's too sunny at his house. So, wear sensor comes out of there, it goes under the nipple cover, through it there. That just keeps it tidy and out of the way. Hooky's in there. That just literally pushes in. And it loops back up into a little blue beast there. Pushes in there. And then under there, that's where your clips are. When you take it off, trace the wire, because one of them's an ABS sensor. I think it's normally the left one is your wear sensor. The right one's your ABS sensor. Plug it all in. Push that. He says, push that back round up there, look like that, and then you've got 8mm, and a job's a peach. I'll film the other side on time lapse. I'll see it. Right, I'll film it long form, and then we can just make it faster if we need to. I've already started. I took one out. Cheated. Cheater, mate, a Peter. That's an 18 in there. I didn't bring any more grips. So what I'm going to do next time, I'm going to get a cheap nasty spanner like this trusty Aldi beast. I'm going to grind it so it's thin, it fits in. Genius, boy. Bloody genius, I tell thee. I know this is a bit overkill, but anything to make life a little easier. That's what I say. I reckon now. Get in here. still can't get me. I know what we need. A hammer. We need is a... Oh, it's skipped and slipped and... Get the... Let's see if I can get that figure right back in there. Not my best spanner, don't worry about it. Let's see if we can wrap it here again. Oh yeah. The struggles were here. I'm on the other side, no bother. Just didn't even struggle. Just did it. Just. I've hit it hard enough now, it's on. No, it's not, is it? What the fuck? Somebody's going to get launched in a minute. Who says they can't break them off? I'd already cracked it, to be fair. Cheating a little bit. Husty truck. Another spooner, isn't there? Husty truck. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, it is. It's a trusty hook. Just talking to camera. That's what I do. Just waffle. I'm confused because I'm just randomly talking shit again. He's like, oh no, he's having a funny do. That youngman's having a funny do here. This is my mother's car. Oh, skip, please, skip. That could be the end of me. Yeah. Oh no. No. Okay. I've ordered some new ones. Not got the best reviews, these ratchets, to be fair, but it's had some stick. I've never had it here. It's done some shit it shouldn't be doing. It's been a struggle, was participant many times. Many times it struggled, that little thing. It's really done me good for like 20 minutes. It's not my trusty D-Walt though, is it? Let's set the pads out. Let's set bloody brake pads out of there. He says. That one's in, innit? That one's in. Oh yeah. Proper ready for doing, look. And that's why you have brake pad wear sensors, ladies and gentlemen, so you don't die, basically. It's always good, isn't it? It's always a good option, that, actually. I tend to find. As Neil and Matt don't like. Oh, that's like heaven. Yeah, it's always a good option, that, not dying. If you've got a choice of two, dying or not dying, pick not dying. Right. Yeah, still cushy. Sliders are alright. Not going to worry too much about that jazz. don't know what it's about. Where's my wire brush? Rescue me. It's a bit wild, it's freezing when I got here. It was like bloody winter had come. I don't have a jumper on my hobbies. That's a loss of layer, I think. Wow. Absolutely sweating me nuts off. Trusty new hobbies and all. Good. A bit smaller than the other ones, which is not a bad thing because the other ones out like got stolen off somebody who was about 4 times my size. Oh yeah, what did you do on your week off, mate? Yeah. Died for a couple of days. Been badly. I've been badly acted. I said that to my mate who's southern and he went, "Are you what?" I said, "I've been badly, are you what?" He says, "I haven't been very well." Oh, he didn't really get it. But it's what they're like, innit? Comes up north and expects me to speak to him in his own lingo. So I just said to him, look, I said, you stick to your apples and pears and all that jazz, and I'll do northern twang. I'll do northern twang, I kid. Disc. That's a 6mm Allen key to hold that disc on there. And if it's up like a one, yeah, it's like the other one. Discs aren't dreadful to be fair, but they're doing a job, don't they? You'll see at some point in this video the wear sensor. I spoke to Laddo at Doodah, you know what I mean? Yeah, I thought you might do. Local parts man. And he says, he gave me one wear sensor. I was a bit confused, but he assured me, and he was right, because he's got a Mini himself, he says. There's only a wear sensor on the near side front and the offside rear on these. So when you buy your disc and pads at front, you'll only get one wear sensor, that's quite normal. Comprende? Hello, father.
I'm deleting that bit off it.
What?
Hello, father.
Why? You're here, aren't you?
Yeah, no.
I'm going to lie about the fact you're here. You don't want to be famous like me. You don't want to be famous on the tube. A lot less faff on this side. I'm sure that sensor.
Yeah.
Oh, it's all gone very quiet, hasn't it? Gone very quiet on the old tube. Don't go mad with them, because they will ruin your day. Okay? Telling them not to go mad with them little holdy nutty bolty things, because they will ruin your day. If they snap, well they won't, just don't bother with them, but yeah. Never ideal when you break one. My bomb's stuck. You'll snap me. I'm doing that with them. for doing them, aren't they?
They were definitely well down there.
Technical term for that. Correct, Father. Oh, wrong way. Wrong yam. I'm going to start calling this the Ratchet of Roulette because it's too bad, and it just now and again decides.
Do you want me to move my car for drive? Just have to do a test run with you. Yeah, I can do it.
Yeah, it just decides now and again that actually I'm not going to engage, and then just goes spinny just as you're about to proper waz down on something. Dad still thinks I'm talking to him, talking to you there under there, talking to John and Alan and whoever else is watching, talking to Kevin. You know, he'll love a comment. I don't care, he's a good lad. Love to meet him, love to know where he lives. Where do you live, Kev? Live local. Live local, do a bit of maintenance on your car if you want. If you live local, mate, look after you. Yeah, you might notice as well, my partner in crime's not here, is he? Where's he gone? On holiday. Has he? Where's he gone? Scotland. Yeah. Gone to Scotland, has he? Yeah, gone on a little jolly with a little bear with his a little mate. He's gone on holiday. He might have even took his missus now. I don't even think she exists. Really. He's always out. He always says, "Oh yeah, girlfriend's at work." I don't think he's got a girlfriend. Don't, honestly. I've seen this lady lives at his house. He's always in his garage. I think he actually lives in his garage, doesn't he? I actually do as well, it's not a joke. I think he's actually a garage dweller. And I think that's his job as well. His job is living in his garage. It's a good job. It's a good job to have that. Oh, there you go. Oh, way over there. Back in through. Trusty pair of latter boots, these, aren't they? Covered in mood and crude. Come on, don't fight with me. Just go home. That's it. That's it, all the way home. She's home. And home is where the heart is. Your heart is obviously in there. Now you are home. Hope you what can't hear radio at background. Could be a whole issue. This is a very boring video to watch. Apart from my wafflage. Not very exciting, is it? I'll have a word with Matt and tell him just to crop it down, Matthew. It's not a problem. Not a problem, we'll pick it out. Without the mental noise about. After all, we're all adults, not louts. We're friendly, peaceful people. We're not the ones out there causing trouble. We just sit in our hazy homes with our quarters, discussing how beautiful Gail Porter is. BBC, NTV, at 6 in the morning comes, the sun dawns and it's our bedtime. Causing trouble. You're stinking rat boys, saying I'm the one who's causing it. Oh gosh. No, I've done it again. Every 13 time. Now loose on that. I'm going to see what my father's got to do. He might have something that's less of a struggle. That knows. Just a pair of bloody little pair of water pumps or something will do, I think. Back in 3. Right, my dad's garage. You can't say it's going to work. Try it, can't we? Now. Do it with these. I'm back, you. Is that going to give me sufficient holding power? Without knackering that gate around. Yeah, gubbins. Oh baby, yeah. Oh well, I might have to kidnap these little, he says. Might have to kidnap these mollies. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie, Dad. These are mine. These are mine now. Bloody good shit. Why didn't I just do that in the first place? What a tail. Lovely, lovely. Let's give that a quick wipe down now with a bit of the old blue roll. And that's it. Pads are in there somewhere, if you can see. Job's a peach. Let's bring you out into the sun. Hello. Hello, chicken nugget. Hello, puppy. Hello. Clean my greasy fingerprints off of the disc, isn't it? You don't want anybody to have any accidents or anything. Me brown-eyed lass. Bloody good show. Right. Dribble a bit of the old copra sleep. Just on there. Just a smidgen. Don't need loads. Just a smidgen. Cheers, Matty, by the way. Cheers, kid. This is why I needed your garage key. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm a G. Nicked half the tools. Talking to camera, Dad, still. It's alright. Don't worry. Don't worry about me. It's when the camera starts answering me back. Eat it. Yeah. Oh, I've done it. Please. Leave behind. Behind me time, shiny new tyres on Mother's car as well. And with the finest. Now you're all going to say Pilot Sports, Neo, Pirelli's mate. don't know why I like this. It's just what I've got in the car, so that's what we've got. That's what we're having. Done everything, haven't I? That's on. That's on. That's on. That's tight. That's tight. There in there, greased up, glued up, jobs of peach. There yours. And there yours.
Thank you.
No, thank you. Thank you. I'm singing now. Jesus. Oh crap, I've lost what I'm doing. Ooh. Ooh, puppy, I got the boobies. I don't even know how I've done that. It'd be right. It'd be full of oil anyway, so I'm not going to die.
You got my 19, no?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah, positive. Unless you brought it out. I've used an 18, I haven't even used 19.
What's my 19?
Where have you left it go? It's in your toolbox.
In my toolbox?
Yeah, you have a look in your toolbox, I bet that's it in the bottom of your box. Yeah, and I get blamed for it. It's always the case round here. It's always my fault. No changes. You got it? Don't listen to me now. Right, that's that done. Thank you very much for watching. No, it's not. Oh, look at the muck on my face. No, it's not very exciting, but Matt is away. We needed something to film, so that's that. A cup of tea with lovely Dad Jetta. So that's that done. Jobs of peach. See there, like and subscribe. Cheers for doing what you're doing. We're nearly there, nearly at 300. So one day we're going to wake up one morning. Somebody's going to be like, "Gee, have you seen this boy? I've seen these two youths on there, Madge Automotive." People are like, why, what's happening? Like, oh, I've got 17 million subscribers. Like, yeah, sick, yeah. One day, keep hoping. Take it easy. Ciao.